afternoon, morning, or evening. I'm the Mainly Digger. In this video, there's multiple different metal detecting hunts and magnet fishing. I went all over, short trips because of my ankle, or I was going somewhere I needed to do something. So it's the only time I could go metal detecting. I'm at McGrath Park right now, or Pleasant Point Park in McGrath Lake, which is behind me in Maine, Oakland, Maine. Just a good time, good quick time. I found some decent finds. I went to, in this video is also, I went to the old mill again. Just very quick little hunt, and just had a good time. Just in general, just bouncing around, guerrilla detecting, I guess you could call it, multiple hunts. And I couldn't make like one long video, so I have multiple hunts in one video. And this place is just gorgeous. I love Maine. This is a dam in Canton. Forgot where I was for a second. And there's a bridge right there. The dam's on the other side. It's early. I gotta go see my dad in Dixfield, which is kind of a haul from Waterville. So I figured I'd make a couple stops. Just a gorgeous stop. Just gorgeous place, really. And found some stuff magnet fishing. So having fun. Later I'm going to take the big magnet and go on the bridge. Hopefully not get caught on anything. I'm going to have to do a little research on Canton because I don't know a lot about it. That looks like a screw maybe, I don't know. But I'm going to guess this was a mill site. I know there's over there, the little brown house looking thing was a railroad house. There we go. This bridge is pretty cool. Kind of, it's squeaky, like it's like a squeaky wood bridge. It's kind of creepy, but I love it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the brute magnet and use it for what it's intended to, for docks and the bridges, so off bridges. So I'm going to put it in the water and drag it, or up and down or whatever. Yes sir, Bob, got something, I guess. It's a fishing lure and or a spinner and whatever that is. But I started off from that pillar right there and just kind of bounced backwards, and now I'm going to bounce towards that pillar again, because why not? First find of the day is a quarter from the 80s. I'll take a quarter. Oh, another penny. Kind of just went down that way, or down the trail, down the pathway. There we go. And then I started off over there. And yeah, found a couple pennies. Good times. So I went along this wall right here, and above us where this rusty, it's not really that rusty stairway led to a guard tower that they tore down. I detected in that area in my first video here, and I mean found a whole bunch of melted lead and stuff like that. So there was a structure there, and there's pictures of it, so it's documented that it was there. This wall is just cool. I just picking around. I didn't really dig any holes. And then, I mean, this place is, there's so much history to this place, so much activity. So kind of on the back side, I found a sturdy piece of metal is what I found, and some coal. So that is a beefy piece of iron. Back to the spot in Oakland, Maine. We've been to a couple of spots with no luck. One of them was too busy. One of them didn't have enough, or we couldn't find anything. So, but I threw this and I found whatever that is. That's pretty cool. Oh, yep, and that is a tiny nail. Oh, look at that. Found a piece of jewelry. So I'm at the University of Augusta on a trail. They have multiple running trails behind around their college, around the university. I actually have to take a midterm in a couple hours, so I decided to kill some time. They said as long as I don't dig on the soccer field or the sports fields, I'm good. Don't make any large holes in the trail. Everything's all right. So that's what I'm doing, and I found this little guy right here. Not too shabby. Piece of metal, clearly. It's a gorgeous spot though. These are running trails, and walking trails, whatever trails, but they're used for cross country. I remember in high school, a long time ago, we used to use them for cross country, and I don't know, they've always been used for running on. Well, that's cool. Someone was firing off blanks back here. 223. First coin of the day. It's a penny, 1983. It was vintage. It is a penny from the 60s, 1960s. There we go. Another penny from 1964, like right next to each other. Legitimately, that my old hole's there, that hole's there. So that's interesting. Oh, penny from the 70s. This park is so gorgeous, but for metal detecting, I don't like coming here because it's like a hot spot for detectorists. I know Waterville Gary loves this place. This is like his spot. He's got a story about a coin he found here out in the water. And the only time I've actually seen someone metal detecting outside of someone that I've actually metal detected with is well, I mean, besides that one time on my way to, I forgot Fairfield, but is here. It's down in the field because there's a soccer field or a baseball field. So, and every detectorist that I talk to, that I meet, they always come here. So, hot spot. And it's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous here too. So it's kind of after the turf season's ended. I found a couple coins, a couple of pennies. I didn't think I'd find much. It was a quick trip, and it was a fun trip.